you dreamed of making music but feel you're not musically gifted? Well, in 2024, this won't be the case. As a regular guy that made this song.
AI controversy, leading the way into the unknown, unlocking love mysteries as the future is sown. Gather around the screen, let's explore the realm. Together we'll transcend in the cybernetic film.
I'm here to tell you that you can, too, with just a computer and a few clicks. In this video, I'll guide you through crafting an entire song from scratch with no music theory required. After we've made the song, I'll show you how to make a professional music video so you can achieve your dreams of becoming a real artist. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we need to head over to Suno AI, and once here, we will be greeted with a minimalistic homepage. Let's check out some of the samples on their homepage.
Late night drives with the windows down, singing out of tune to our favorite sounds. Oh yeah, we laugh too loud, we're one crazy bunch through. Yeah, lullaby, a celestial symphony, painted on the canvas of the sky for all to see.
Awesome. Okay, you get the point. I'd love to make a whole video just showcasing the samples on their homepage, but where is the fun in that? Without wasting any more time, let's click on Make a Song. Here, you'll see trending songs made public by the user. The songs you create here aren't visible to the public by default. Now, there are some things I want to go over, such as commercial usage, plans and pricing, and other valuable information, but I don't want to bore you in the beginning of the video, so I'll get back to that later. So, let's click on Create and get started. Here, we have a custom mode, which I'll get to in a second. Next, we have the song description. This is a more simple mode. Simply describe the style of music and topic you want. For example, acoustic pop about the holidays. You can use genres and vibes, but do not use specific artists or songs, as Suno doesn't recognize artists and songs. After you've made your prompt, you can click on Create. However, that is for the simple mode. Let's check this custom mode to have a deeper dive. In custom mode, you can enter your own lyrics. The recommended settings are 2 verses, 8 lines for best results. If you don't have your own lyrics, you can have Suno generate some random lyrics for you. Next, we have the style of music, for example, acoustic pop, and finally, we have the song title. Let me start by having Suno generate some random lyrics, as I am not a songwriter. And here are the lyrics Suno generated for us. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read the lyrics. Next, for the style of music, I'll use future bass. For the title, Suno already gave us a title for the lyrics it wrote for us, and the song title is Coffee Shop Love. I'll leave it at that. Generating the songs doesn't take too long. However, I will speed up the video. I thought about leaving it in real time, but I'll just tell you that it takes anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the server load. When generating, Suno will generate 2 tracks, 2 different versions of the song. Each track uses 5 credits, so each time you click generate, you will consume 10 credits. Free accounts start with 50 credits. Here are the 2 tracks. Let's listen to the results.
Sipping on my latte in this cozy little place, lost in conversation with a smile on my face. Eyes meet across the room, a moment that feels right. Heart starts racing as we catch each other's sight. Coffee shop love, unexpected and sweet. Falling for you, oh I'm feeling the heat. Sipping on love in the afternoon haze. Oh, coffee shop love, let's get lost in this maze. Sipping on my latte in this cozy little place, lost in conversation with a smile on my face. As we cross the room, a moment that feels right. Heart starts racing as we catch each other's sight. Coffee shop love, unexpected, sweet, falling for you. Oh, I'm feeling the heat, sipping on love in the afternoon haze. Oh, coffee shop love, let's get lost in this maze.
Wow, that's pretty incredible. I covered Suno back when they only had a Discord app. You can watch that video here. It's cool to see Suno advance and come so far with their web app. As for these 2 tracks, both are great, but I prefer the first track, click on the three-dot icon here. You will get a drop-down menu to remix the track. Continue from this clip. Share via link only, make the track public, download the video, download the audio, report bugs, or report as inappropriate. As I mentioned, preferred the first track. So, I'd like to turn this into a complete song. Click back on the three-dot icon and select continue for this clip. Next, we will have to give it new lyrics for the second verse. So before we hit continue, let us get us some lyrics from ChatGPT. First, I'll copy the existing lyrics that Suno gave us and then head over to ChatGPT. I'll a simple prompt. Feel free to get as complex as you like with your prompts. For this, I'll just say I have an unfinished song. I need a second and third verse. Here's what I have so far. Follow this exact format. Then, paste in the lyrics that Suno gave us. Keep in mind, you can use Claude or Bard for this as well if you don't want to use ChatGPT. Now, copy the second verse back into Suno. In this example, I took the second verse and used the chorus as the third verse. Click continue. When it's done, listen to the two tracks and choose which track you'd like to continue from. Rinse and repeat this process as much as you want to complete your song. Now, you might notice that this song isn't the song I showed you at the beginning of the video. That is because when I recorded this process, I was on the free version, which doesn't allow you to use your tracks commercially. Well, remember when I said I'd get back to commercial usage later in the video? Now is a good time for me to show you the frequently asked questions. If you pay for the Pro or Premier version, you'll own the rights to the songs you create and be able to use them commercially. The frequently asked questions page on Suno covers everything, but everyone watching this video mainly wants to know the usage rights. Review the Suno.ai frequently asked questions page to read more about it. That said, I decided to purchase a Pro plan, not only because I wanted commercial rights to my track, but because I like this app. I got so carried away that I almost didn't finish this video. Anyways, when you have all the tracks you want, all you'll need to do is click on Get Whole Song. Then Suno will stitch all the tracks together and create one fully completed song. However, since I created the Coffee Shop Love track using the free plan, technically, I can't use the whole track here commercially since my channel is monetized. Therefore, I just showed you how to create the track. However, I own this AI controversy track as I started it after paying for the Pro version. This is the track I will be displaying moving forward. After you click on Get the Whole Song, you can simply download the track and do as you wish with it, being you have a Pro or Premier plan. As promised at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that we would create a music video for your newly generated track. So for this is the easiest way to do it. First, download CapCut. Visit the Linktree link in the description and click Get CapCut Video Editor Pro free for 7 days. This way, you'll get CapCut Pro for free, and you'll be able to use all the Pro features for 7 days. After you have downloaded and installed CapCut, you will need to get images. For my example, I used Stable Diffusion because it's my AI image generator of choice. However, you can use any AI image generator you like, whether it's Leonardo.ai, Stability, Midjourney, etc. You'll want to generate enough images for your music video. The rule of thumb is 3 to 5 seconds or 5 to 7 seconds per image. Depending on your audience, younger generations use 3 to 5 seconds, and older generations use 5 to 7 seconds. After you generate your images, you can add them to CapCut or animate them. If you want to animate them, watch my video here. If not, drag and drop your generated images and music track into CapCut. Add special effects, transitions, and captions. Get creative and have fun. When you're done, feel free to upload your track to YouTube, social media, etc. Here's what I came up with.
The world of neon lights and city streets, with the lines between reality and the virtual me. There's a voice that's echoing into the noise, a digital prophet spreading truth, but we have no choice. AI controversy, leading the way into the unknown, unlocking love mysteries as the future is song. Gather around the screen, let's explore the realm. Together we'll transcend in the cybernetic film. Maze of data streams and neon dreams, we navigate the edge of tech. Human scenes, a whisper in the wires, a truth that never tires. In the heart of the machine, where fire meets desire. this digital bazaar. Together in this techno symphony, we'll travel far. Worlds of neon lights, city streets, where the lines between reality and virtual meets. There's a voice that's echoing, flying through the noise. A digital prophet spreading truth where we have no choice. We secrets are found. Revolution led the pixels align. Welcome to AI controversy, where knowledge intertwined.